Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to install both Java and Eclipse IDE. First, open any browser of your choice. Type oracle.com. Enter. Go to Products tab. Click on Java. Now click on Download Java. Here we notice the latest version of Java. If we scroll down, here choose the right operating system. I'm choosing Windows. Here x64 stands for 64-bit system. In case if you are using 32-bit system, then you have to download a different file. Unfortunately, Java 17 does not support 32-bit systems. In case if you want to download executable file for 32-bit system, scroll down a bit. Here you see the older versions of Java, Java 8 and Java 11. Select Java 8 and choose the right operating system. Here you notice x86, which stands for 32-bit system. So you can choose this executable file. In case if you are not sure whether you are using a 64-bit system or 32-bit system, you can find that information under the system information. Click on search menu, type system information. Here under system type, you can notice whether you are using a 64 or 32-bit system. As mine is 64-bit system, I will download this executable file. Click on this link to begin the downloading process. It will take a couple of minutes to download the file. Once the file is downloaded, go to Downloads folder. Double click on this file to begin the installation process. Choose Next. Next. Now the Java Standard Edition Development Kit is successfully installed. Close it. To cross-check whether the Java is successfully installed or not, open Command Prompt. Now type the command Java version. As we successfully installed Java, now it's time to install Eclipse IDE. To install Eclipse IDE, open any browser of your choice. Type eclipse.org. Enter. Now click on this download button. As you notice, this file is compatible with both 32 and 64-bit systems. Click on it to begin the downloading process. Once the file is downloaded, go to Downloads folder. Now double click on this file to begin the installation process. Choose the option Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Now click on Install. Once the installation is successful, click on Launch. This is the default location where all your projects will be saved under. Check this option and launch. So far we successfully installed both Java and Eclipse. Now let's see how to use these tools to write Java applications. To create a new project, click on File, choose New, Java Project. Choose a name for your project. I will go with Demo. As you notice, this is the default location where your project will be saved under. In case if you want to save it in a different location, use the option Browse. Now click on Finish. This time I don't want to create any modules. Don't create. Now the project demo is created. Expand the project folder. Here you see some jar files and source folder. This folder is currently empty. Now let's create a new class. To create a new class, right click on the folder, New, Class. Choose a meaningful name for your class. Check this option for main method. Finish. Now let's write a simple statement to display Hello World on the screen. Once you're done with the coding, click on this icon to compile and execute the code. OK. Here you see the output on the console screen. Thank you for watching.